The second decision making is under fixation of selling price when the pricing in competition and depression. There are two situations. In competition and depression, you have to competition where are lots of sellers are there and you are in a competitive market, and depression when there is no more demand for your products. So when there is acute competition or in periods of depression and company is using variable cost technique, then how you are going to make your decision? The selling price should be higher than the variable cost so that it makes a contribution towards fixed cost and helps reduce the loss. So selling price should be higher than the variable cost. This is the decision making rule. Now, when price is just equal to variable cost, then what we have to do? The amount of loss will be equal to the amount of fixed cost, because in such situation the selling price make no contribution toward fixed assets. We are just able to cover the variable cost and we are not contributing anything to cover the fixed cost. If you remember the graph, the straight line, we are able to cover up that cross of the variable cost, but we are not able to contribute in the fixed cost. Okay. So thus, under special circumstances like the trade depression or competition, if selling price is higher than the variable cost, even though it is below total cost, the production should not be stopped. So the main thing to be remember is that if the price is more than the variable cost, still you can continue with the production. Fixation of selling price below total cost should be made only on a short term basis. This is the note of caution. That's why I have written it red pen, that it is to be highlighted, that it is only for short term basis. On a long term basis, it should always cover the total cost plus profit. But for the short term duration, just to survive that depression period, you can fix the selling price below total cost, but it should be always above variable cost. And for this, there was a question of competition and monopoly. Once again, I am going to post it here. That relates to this fixation of selling price.